Hi, my name is Travis Bear, and many of you know me from my nature photography or wildlife videos I post online. But today, I want to talk to you about a new project I have been working on that is very close to my heart. Centered around a mission I'm very passionate about. Growing up, wildcats have always fascinated me. I remember as a kid renting nature movies from my public library on VHS tape. I always left the library with enough rentals to immerse myself in all kinds of wild worlds for at least a few days. And the eyewitness nature videos were usually my favorite. I remember one in particular about wildcats. I can remember being so fascinated and intrigued by all the different kinds there were and wanting to know everything I could about each one. Those videos as a kid helped shape my passion for wildlife, and now, as an adult, wanting to protect it. Currently, because of their elusiveness, the number of jaguars left in the wild is unknown. What we do know is that those numbers are rapidly decreasing every year along with their habitat. While deforestation continues to destroy the Amazon, jaguars are being forced closer and closer to human settlements, where they ultimately come into conflict because of the chance of predation of domestic animals, such as dogs and cats, or livestock like pigs and calves. And as a result, they are usually killed by locals in retaliation. If action is not taken to help solve these conflicts, the decreasing population of jaguars will continue to grow smaller and smaller, and we will eventually lose the keystone species of the Amazon rainforest. Jaguars play a very important role in the health of the Amazonian ecosystem. They're what is referred to as a top predator, which means they serve as a sort of population control mechanism for the jungle, never allowing one prey population to grow too large and consume any natural resource to exhaustion. And you can see why losing that vital piece can have massive consequences on the health of an ecosystem. A famous example of this is the influx of feral hogs in the southern United States, where populations of these wild pigs have grown so completely out of control that they are decimating ecosystems through damaging and over-consuming crops and native plants, spreading disease and outcompeting other local wildlife, all while essentially having no natural predators. So with the help of fellow researchers, veterinarians, and doctors, we have created Healthy Amazon, a conservation initiative utilizing the One Health approach to jaguar conservation. We use the jaguar as our symbol that brings free medical and veterinary aid to remote communities and their animals within the rainforest, helping provide basic healthcare services, prevent the spread of disease to wildlife, the locals in the community, and their animals, as well as providing much needed veterinary care to the cats and dogs living in those communities. Through this, we can build relationships with these communities, understand how and why they are facing these conflicts with jaguars, and work together to find sustainable solutions to help mitigate these conflicts. Education also plays an important and vital role in our mission. We believe that the children will be the conservationists of the future, so we hold interactive educational talks to teach them about the importance of the animals in the rainforest. Many of the children in these communities have never seen a living jaguar or any cat in the wild. One of our biggest goals while visiting these communities is to inspire them to become passionate about their forest wildlife and to understand the importance of protecting it. We've already completed one successful campaign in the Human-Urco region of the rainforest, where we were able to bring free medical and veterinary care to over 100 indigenous people and 120 cats and dogs, many of whom have never received healthcare in their whole lives, all while learning and gaining a better understanding of why this community is facing these jaguar conflicts. We are looking to continue this campaign and bring it to more indigenous communities of the Amazon, but we need help. We currently have a fundraiser set up on our website where you can make a donation of any dollar amount, as well as an online store where you can shop a few of our amazing t-shirt designs. Any shirt purchase or donation made, no matter the amount, helps us further this conservation work and truly does make a difference in helping protect wildlife. Because of our extremely generous supporters, we have already raised over 20% of our goal, and we are truly grateful to every person who has helped contribute. It is because of people like you that we can continue to bring jaguar conservation to the Peruvian Amazon.